How to assemble the tattoo kit. Take out the stainless steel stem and insert a tape. Place the grommet into the eye loop on the needle bar. Make sure the tattoo needle goes through the tube naturally. Also, the needle and tape size is matched. Unscrew the tube rest clamp, insert the tube, and adjust the needle depth. After that, tighten tube rest clamp. Connect the power cord and turn on the power supply. Insert the RCA cord to the power supply. Insert the foot pedal to power supply. Adjust the voltage to 5 to 10. Press the pedal and then start work.